To start off, I should probably mention that I do not plan on going into music as a career. I'm actually planning on going into either medical sales or teaching seminary. However, I have always been very passionate about music and creating music and hope to be able to share that passion with others. I've posted some of my music on social media before, but after having read the assigned articles, I feel that I am more equipped to reach a larger audience. One of the most important things I got out of the first article was the necessity of consistency. It said that it is better to upload one song once every 6 weeks than to upload 10 songs all at once every 60 weeks. So even though I have quite a few songs in my quiver already, once I figure out how to use social media, I think I'm going to try to release them one at a time over a long period of time rather than all at once. Another thing that stood out to me was the importance of not only focusing on my music on social media, but also posting about myself and my inspiration so that others can get a sense of my personality. And so the artist slash group that I profiled and wanted to talk a little bit about was Imagine Dragons. Let's see. I don't know if you can see my screen here. But right now, or I guess first of all, I decided to look at three different platforms: their Facebook page, their Instagram page, and then their YouTube channel. Um, and I think that each one of these platforms has something different and unique to offer. And so to start, again, I don't know if you can see this, but right now I'm looking at their Facebook page. Um, and I think they did a really good, or they do a really good job here at posting consistently. It looks like they post about at least once or a couple times a week. And I think with their Facebook page, they do a really good job about posting about their concerts, the locations of their performances, stuff like that. If you scroll down here, um, they have certain merchandise available, and stuff like that. The thing that I didn't like about their Facebook page is I feel like it's not as personable. Like I said, they did a good job with posting about their concerts and merch, and they actually have a fundraisers section up here as well. But I don't really feel like they have anything that allows their fans to get to know them on a personal level, which is what I actually liked about their Instagram page, which I'm looking at now. Their Instagram page, they also have some merchandise. I don't think they have a fundraiser section on here. Um, and they post a little bit about concerts and performances and stuff like that. But what I really liked about this, their Instagram page, is if I scroll down here, where was it? There's several videos of them where they're talking into a microphone, allowing their audience, allowing their fans to actually get to know them on a more behind the scenes personal level, which I think can be very beneficial as well. And then finally, if we go over to their YouTube channel, um, the YouTube channel doesn't have so much about their concerts and behind the scenes stuff like that. But one benefit that I think a YouTube channel has is that it gives their fans or their audience a really direct and accessible way, um, I guess, to access any song that they want whenever they want it. I also like how the YouTube channel is set up. Um, Almost more of a business type way. You look right here, you can click playlist, so of course you can see their songs. But there's also a tab called community, and then store where you can go ahead and look at their merchandise and purchase anything like jackets, CDs, stuff like that. Um, and let's see. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching.